ndi Ramuzika arina bvumo vhukuma ane ono ṱanganedza pfufho dzi sina vhukono. Makhadzi o thoma u vha na bvumo vhukuma nga luimbo lwa Matorokisi lwe a lu rekhoda nga ṅwaha wa 2019.
Being patient with everything and allowing God to control everything, because everything have its own time.
Uyu Ramuzika o alutshela fhala ha mashamba.
It was great, as a village girl, before you can even know Josie, you feel like everything it's all there in the village, But a village lifestyle is really, really great. Just because there is no judging so they give you a freedom to do everything free, to showcase your talent free, because of the party, the wedding and everything. So if you have a talent, that's where you can go and showcase it. If there is a party somewhere, I was one of those guests by young without an invitation. Just because if I had sound playing there, I'm gonna go there and dance. At least I'll eat some meat nyana there.
O thoma zwa muzika na tshigwada tshi vhidzwaho makirikiri fhala Polokwane.
I accidentally met the dance group Makirikiri dancing by the corner. I was watching their performance like everyone. Then they asked for anyone who knows how to dance. Then I jumped on stage, I danced. People were happy. People gave me 2 rands, 1 rand. And then he was impressed. He asked me, don't you want to join us? I was like, that would be great. Then that's how it started.
Makhadzi uimba nyimbo dzine dza takaleliwa nga vhathu vanji.
I just combine everything in one. If you can check all my albums, I have gospel, song, the aim is to sweat. You must just listen and cry. Ube sharp. So I every day. So I make sure that I sing about what people are experiencing every day.
Uyu wo vha mulaedza wawe kha vhatikedzi na vhane vhafuna nyimbo dzawe.
I know how it feels to sleep with hunger. That's why I don't want to see someone suffering in Mama Tlong Aga. I really appreciate their support. I don't take it for granted. They are the one who made me.